Today I'm going to be replacing the tail light on this 2005 Nissan Frontier. Now this will work on all models from 2005 all the way up to 2020. Now the only tool that you're going to need is Phillips head screwdriver, or a bit on the top of the impact wrench there, or a 10mm wrench. Either one of those will work. So let's go ahead and get started. The two bolts that you have to remove are located here and right there. Super simple, super easy. All right, one and two. Now you can take off and remove this tail light. There we go. And so you're just pulling and it comes straight out. Now when I was pulling out, it releases from this part right here. See, it took a little bit of resistance, or had a little resistance when I was pulling out. That's because it's fixed in there at that point. And so this guy right there is what is in there, and you pull it out. So now what we're going to be doing is unclipping the wiring harnesses off of all three bulbs. And then we're going to be, this will then fall free, and then we're going to be replacing it with this brand new one. Now this new one, I'll go ahead and put a link to that down in the video description down below. But this new one also comes with two new bolts for the ones we removed, and then the pieces that hook up to here. So in case this is broken on yours, it will replace that. And what's nice too is that this light has all the bulbs inside of it. So it comes with bulbs, all brand new, and it comes with all the little parts that you could need. Okay, from this position you can just squeeze down right here and pull out, and that'll work just fine. Or you can use a pair of needle-nose pliers and just pinch it and easily pull that off. Just don't damage the wires when you do that. All right, all three. Now, you can see this old guy right here, all busted, sad face. So I'm gonna actually save those bulbs because they're all still working. It's just the cracked housing here. Oh, quick note: if you do need to replace these bulbs or remove them for whatever reason, you just twist counterclockwise, and these guys come out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And so if you're just looking to replace the bulbs themselves, you can do that. All of them. Pretty cool. Real quick, every time I buy an aftermarket part, I always kind of try and pair it up to the OEM factory one to just kind of see how it looks, see where all the connections are, kind of make sure that it's everything's going to fit and align right, and they did a good job with that. So everything looks legit and looks to be the exact same. Pretty good. Now let's go ahead and put this sucker in there. We're here with our new lights. Let's go ahead and put it on. And the shortest wire here goes on the very bottom. Let's go ahead and attach that. There we go. There we go for the middle one. That's easy. The large one to the top. There we go. Everything's snug. Give it a tug. Good to go. Now when you put it back in, this piece right here is going to line in, pop in right here where that old one came out. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. That's in. Now we're going to go ahead and put the bolts back in that we took out. Now I have the new ones, but these old ones work just fine. So these are, you're going to go ahead and hand tighten them. going in. All right. And give it a nice little tighten. All right. Job is done. Now I'll go ahead and test it. Now with the parking brake on, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of park and put it in reverse to check out the reverse light, the turn signal, and then with my foot I'll check out the brakes. So how'd it go? Well, folks, I consider that a success. That thing fits in there just nice and perfect, as good as the old one was, and looks a hell of a lot better. So we went ahead and replaced this old busted and got it in line with the new hotness. So we're good to go. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and post them down below, and hit like and subscribe. It helps me out as a channel. Appreciate it, guys. Take care.